and welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. I am once again back with my 2007 Suzuki Bandit 1250 project. I have just completed this project and going through this motorcycle from front to back and making sure that it is 100% ready to ride. We also touched up some of the cosmetics on the bike, and I'm going to go over just a couple of things that have happened since the previous project update. The first thing is I have replaced this tail section. I was able to get a used part on eBay and it looks beautiful. It looks great. The other one had been cracked on this side. This bike did tip over in a trailer, so it still has a little bit of a dent here, and it has some areas up here where I did go ahead and repair this. There was a little bit of a hole here, so I replaced that with some plastic from the original tail section. Another thing I did was to install a brand new front tire on this one. The original wasn't really shot, but it just wasn't super nice, and I always like to have fresh rubber on my bikes. So that is a brand new front tire, and man, did it improve the handling. Another thing I did, I tightened up the steering stem bearings. That really improved the handling on the bike. I also changed out the clutch fluid and the brake fluid on all of my systems here, and this bike is really now ready to rock. So in the next videos we'll be actually out riding this bike and enjoying it, and I'll do a review on this bike as well, and maybe even some comparisons with some of the other classic Suzukis that I have that are kind of in the same category, the sport standards. I'm super happy with the way this bike turned out, and I can't wait to just get out and ride it, to put some miles on, and really enjoy it while I have it. I hope you found this video entertaining and informative, and until next time, enjoy the ride.